Today I'm going to do a demonstration of a nostril wax safely and comfortably for the client. There's a trend online where therapists are using something like an orange stick with wax on the end and actually placing it up the nostril, which blocks the airway. This can often make a client panic if they're not able to breathe properly. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to do a safe wax without blocking either of the nostrils, and also to remove the hair from the opening of the nostril and not the membrane. The membrane, it's very important for the hair to be there so that it filters what we shouldn't be breathing in. So we're just aiming to clear the opening of the nostril safely and comfortably. So as I start, I've just got a little bit of wax on the end of the spatula. I'm just going to press the tip of the nose and I'm going to scrape the wax into the nostril, and then I can use the spatula to just manipulate that around the outer edge. So the finger on the top of the nose is just aiding in the opening of the nostril, and then I'm packing the wax in so that we're just removing from the outer side. So as you can see, the nostril's still clearly open, and I'm going to apply some on the other side. So just pressing the tip of the nose again and then scraping to the inside edge, making sure that I leave the other half of the nostril so the client can still easily breathe through both nostrils. Now, because we're having to apply it a little bit thicker, the setting time takes a little bit longer. So I've just got a wet compress to speed set, and then I'm going to give that a little pinch before I remove, and then just supporting the tip of the nose just to get a little lift. Grip the nose and pull off, and the same on the other side. And then I'm simply going to repeat that from the other side, just pressing onto the tip and just scraping the outside edge and just gently packing that in, making sure that I've left the inside of the nostril open so the client can easily breathe. As with all of our treatments, we're just going to do a little cleanse at the end. So I've got a tiny amount of cleanser because we don't want to pack too much product up the nose. Just going to clean around the area that we've waxed. And then we're going to finish with some soothing aloe gel.